The question of AI replacing humans is intricate. While AI is advancing rapidly, the idea of it fully replacing us in every aspect of life is far-fetched. Sure, AI is already taking over repetitive tasks. Think manufacturing robots, chatbots in customer service, and data processing. In the next couple of decades, we might see driverless vehicles and automated office jobs becoming the norm. But when it comes to complex roles that require creativity, emotional intelligence, or critical thinking, AI still has a long way to go. It can assist, but it can't replicate the depth of human experience. The future likely lies in a partnership, AI enhancing our abilities rather than replacing us. Ethical concerns, technical limitations, and economic impacts all suggest that while AI will change the landscape of work, it won't fully take over anytime soon. Instead, we'll see AI handling the mundane, allowing us to focus on what we do best: creating, empathizing, and solving complex problems. Some jobs are at higher risk of being replaced by AI in the short to medium term, next 10-20 years. Driverless vehicles. Autonomous driving technology is progressing, and it's expected that AI could replace truck drivers, delivery drivers, and even taxi drivers as self-driving cars become more common. Routine office jobs. AI could automate more clerical tasks like scheduling, filing, and even some aspects of decision-making based on preset rules. This could affect administrative assistants, accountants, and middle management roles. Retail and warehousing. AI-driven robots and automation systems are already replacing humans in warehouses, e.g., Amazon, and may also take over more jobs in retail, such as stocking shelves or checking out purchases. Short term, next 10-20 years. AI will likely replace many routine, repetitive tasks and some specialized jobs, but humans will remain essential in most sectors. The focus will be on AI-assisted work, not full replacement. Medium term, next 20-50 years. In this period, more jobs in fields like transportation, logistics, finance, and even customer service could be automated. However, complex problem-solving, creativity, and emotional intelligence roles will remain human-dominated, though AI may assist. Long-term, 50-plus years. Some futurists speculate that artificial general intelligence, AGI, could emerge, which would be capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can do. However, this is still a very speculative area and might not happen for many decades, if ever. To sum up, while AI will continue to replace certain human tasks, the full replacement of humans across all roles and functions is not expected anytime soon. Instead, we are more likely to see AI augmenting human work by handling repetitive or data-heavy tasks, enabling people to focus on more complex, creative, and socially interactive roles. Rather than replacing humans, the future of AI may be about partnerships, machines handling specific tasks with precision, while humans continue to offer creativity, empathy, and judgment in ways that AI cannot replicate.